2 races. That is how long Liam Lawson got in the Redbull number 2 seat, and this weekend he is being replaced with Yuki Tsunoda. This is coming into the Japanese Grand Prix, and you gotta say, who knows? This is just kind of a funny little meme that I saw. Whoop, taking that seat right away from him. Lol. And it's yet to be seen. I mean, obviously, 2 races is not a very long time for Liam Lawson to be on a sprint weekend and a wet weekend. In a Red Bull car that is, from every account, very hard to drive. And obviously, this one is nowhere near the unbeatable one from 21, 22. So for him, got to be really hard. And obviously, they'll be switching seats. So Tsunoda will be moved up to the Red Bull seat, which apparently a lot of people thought he deserved to begin with. Lawson will be moved down to the Racing Bulls or AlphaTauri, whatever you want to call it, seat. And for him, it might be honestly very good. If you're Lawson, you get to move down to the development team, whatever you want to call it, sister team. Get to move to a team or a car that is noticeably easier to drive. And for him, it's rebuild confidence time. He gets to go down there, no real expectations other than, hey, get us some points. And for Tsunoda, now it's all on him, because I highly doubt that he's going to be moved back down to the Racing Bull team, or how that's going to work if he ends up doing badly. And for him, it's going to be a huge amount of pressure. This weekend is his home race. It's his first race in the big boy team. If he doesn't do well, if he qualifies badly, if he crashes, whatever the scenario goes, if it's not, a top 10, if it's not getting points, it's going to look horrible for him. And I don't know. I mean, it's the curse of that second seat. I mean, look how many people have Albon, Gasly, now Lawson. You've got Ricardo. Just everybody who seems to get that chance gets cursed. And who knows? For Lawson, like I said, it might be the perfect move. Move down to the sister team. Just try and get some good results. Qualify. Get out of Q1. Qualify semi well, and if you can get a point or two for that team, it's going to be really good for him and look really good. Maybe towards another team. Different contract for next year, the year after. Who knows? And like I said, for Tsunoda, it's going to be massive pressure. This is the ride that he's been saying that he's ready for 2 years now. And if he gets to the big boy leagues and he absolutely fails, it's going to look, one, really bad for the team. It's going to look really bad for him. All this time spent, experience, training, whatever you want to call it, in the sister team, just to move up and not do anything well. So I don't know. I think it's going to be definitely a weekend to watch. See where everything falls, see where the points go. Obviously, Verstappen's making that car look a lot better than it is, because he's incredible. But that's where I'm going to leave you. Comments down below. Tell me what you think. Tsunoda does well. Does he do bad? Does he qualify well? Where does he finish in the race? Where does Lawson finish in the race? All the stuff, whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out. Appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.